Hey guys, welcome back to Next Gen Wealth with Josh. This is the channel that helps you to learn how to invest, how to manage your money, and how to grow in your wealth journey. I'm Josh Yeatts. I am an investor. A lot of people want to get rich quick. They want to do something to make money fast. And I want to tell you that there really is no way to get rich quick. There are ways to make some money pretty quick. If you need some capital quickly, there are ways to make that money fairly quick, but there is no way to truly get rich quick. I think there's a difference between making some money quickly and getting rich quick, and you're not going to really get rich quick. That's a myth, that's a lie. And so what does it take to become wealthy, to get to where you want to be? I'm going to share a couple of those things with you today. First of all, the main thing is to be consistent with whatever it is that you are doing. Be consistent with it. If you are going to start a business, or you're going to invest in whatever it is, real estate, or whatever the thing that you're going to do, whatever it is, the best thing to do is to remain consistent with it. Don't just start something and then a month later or a week later or whatever, you decide that this ain't working and I'm going to just quit. That's not going to help you. If you want to become wealthy, you've got to stick with whatever it is that you are passionate about. Find something that you're passionate about. If you're not passionate about real estate, or if it's not something that you really enjoy, then maybe think about a different avenue. Maybe start a business or something that you do enjoy, but stick with it. Don't just do it a couple of times and say this ain't working, because if you're relying on something to work quickly, you're going to quit everything you do. It's never going to work quickly. You've got to stick with it. You got to stay consistent. So that's number one. That's the top thing that you need to do. You also need to, again, find something you're passionate about. I would encourage you, don't just hop on a trend because it's trendy. You need to find something you're passionate about. And you can take what you're passionate about and find other ways of doing it. I love real estate. I love investing, but I also love teaching people about investing. That's why I started this YouTube channel. And this channel is another way that I'm looking to make a living through content creation and being able to share what I've learned, even the mistakes I've made, with everyone, so that you can hopefully build your wealth and have a wealth journey that maybe avoids some of the pitfalls and mistakes that I made. So be consistent and do something you're passionate about. And lastly, I would encourage you to always think in terms of helping other people. If you're trying to solve someone's problems, or you're trying to help people, you're going to go a lot further in your wealth building journey, because it's going to be easier for you to be able to get ahead because you're helping other people. Whether that's through content creation, you're getting out there, you're solving someone's problems, or maybe you do get into real estate, you're wanting to help people by providing affordable housing. It's all about helping people. It's not about trying to just make money. If your goal, anything that you're doing is to make money, you're probably going to fail at it, because people don't really care unless you're helping them. All right? So that's just a couple of things that maybe will help you. If you like what you're hearing and this is helping you at all, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. All of that really helps. It helps me, and I hope I'm helping you. Again, that's what it's all about, is helping each other, right? And so hopefully that's helping you. Also, I want to mention on here that I have started a TikTok, and my wife kind of got me into that. And so I now have Next Gen Wealth with Josh on TikTok. So you'll see a lot of these videos on TikTok, but you'll see that on there. Go on over to TikTok and follow me, and I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you next time.